Okay, Cocoa Beach, Hilton. I did a video on this last September about that time. And I want to show you the upgraded remodeled room. So I'm in room 703. Let me turn this bit around. So when you walk in, you've got your newly remodeled bathroom, much better. So look at my other video. There you go. Then it's painted blue. Go behind this barn door, and then you have your safe and you have your fridge. So look there. I asked for a microwave. I'm not sure they'll do that. If they, I'm sure they'll give you one if they have them, so they don't run out. Full length mirror. Much better. I assume this is new carpet. Yeah, it looks, yeah, it's definitely newer. Ottoman. That's not storage. Little desk. Look at your outlet there with the USB plugs. You got them on this side of the bed. Let's see if it's on the other side. Yeah, the other side of the bed. So both people can charge their phones and their iPads. And look at this great view. Thank you. Thanks, Hilton. So apparently this is a new bar restaurant. They do craft food and craft cocktails, so I might try it out tonight.